What if I told you you could remove nail fungus just by sticking a patch on your toe? No creams, no pills. Sounds insane, right? But is it real or just another internet scam? This is the viral Glovoro Fungal Nail Patches, popping up all over ads in 2026. It claims to kill fungus, repair nails, and give visible results in just days. On their official site, it says the patches fight fungal infections, restore healthy nails, work fast with advanced ingredients. But here's the thing, there's almost no verified medical proof behind these claims. Now let's dig deeper. Independent scam-checking sites raise serious concerns. According to reports, the website is very new, created around 2025. The owner identity is hidden. Trust score is no or questionable, around 36/100, and that's a big red flag for health products. Now about Trustpilot. No official Trustpilot page found for Glovoro. That's another warning sign. Legit brands usually have independent reviews. Even online discussions show people asking, does this even work or is it just hype? So, is Glovoro a scam? Not 100% confirmed, but it's definitely high risk. Here's why. No strong clinical proof, new website, low trust scores, lack of real user reviews. I've seen products like this before. They promise fast results, but end up being generic patches you could buy cheaper elsewhere. So, before you spend your money, ask yourself, are you buying a solution or just good marketing? Follow for more real reviews. No hype, just truth.